as president of this beautiful country. And I can use my voice in as many ways as possible. In fact, my first commitment is to receive representatives of carers in our community who are undervalued and underpaid, and to value their work. I've given a commitment to go back and visit all of the centres that I visited in my campaign to give recognition to the tremendous work. The day we vote, it will be the 80th anniversary of the the UN Declaration of Human Rights. And I think that's significant for me and for the country. I will be a voice for peace at a time where a voice for peace is utterly necessary. I will be a voice, as I said, in relation to climate change and the existential threat posed by climate change. Communities I've already outlined. I will also be a voice for a united Ireland. Article 3 of the Constitution sets out that it is the firm will of the Irish people to have a united Ireland. I would love if that happened during my tenure, and if not, that at least all the groundwork and preparatory work will have taken place.
But the President really can't get involved in that kind of, because that is about base politics.
Absolutely. The framework has been set in the Good Friday Agreement and in Article 3 of the Constitution. But there will be a role for the President in reaching out to different communities, having an open Áras in relation to different
quick things.